Hello dear students. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the electronic spectra in transition metal complexes. In our previous lecture we have discussed about the selection rules of the transitions in metal complexes. The lecture plan for this lecture is term symbols, as I have told you earlier. The calculation of term symbols, how we can calculate the term symbols for the different types of systems. Now ground state term symbol calculations for P2 system and the ground state term symbol calculation for the D2 system, which is of immense importance for the transition metal complexes. Now come to the term symbol. As we have discussed earlier, these are used to represent the electronic configuration of a particular energy state and the resultant angular momentum L of an atom. Term symbols can be given through this value 2s plus 1 L j. S is the total spin angular quanta number. J is the total resultant angular quanta number. This is the table for L and state values. 2s plus 1, which indicates the spin multiplicity, and it plays an important role. If the spin multiplicity is greater than 0, then the spin value would be different. If spin multiplicity is 0, then the 2s plus 1 value would be 1, and the different L values located for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these can be arranged according to their state values. Means for L is equal to 0, state would be S. For L is equal to 1, the state would be of P, and for L is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the respective state would be given D, F, G, H and I and so on. How we can calculate the term symbol? First, determine the possible values of ML and MS. Determine the configuration that follows Pauli's exclusion principle, which is a necessity, and set up a chart for the microstates that we have to calculate. Resolve that chart of microstates into appropriate atomic states. The construction of a microstate table. For example, carbon P2 system. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. The microstates corresponds to the various possible combinations of electrons within the px, py and pz orbitals. The P2 system, the two electrons of p orbital can be arranged in different ways. It means 2 electrons in px and py, 2 electrons in py or pz, 2 electrons px, pz. There are so many different ways in which the 2 electrons can be arranged in 3p orbitals. For a carbon atom, Ml will range from +2 to -2, and Ms can have a values of +1, which means the both electrons are pointing upward. For Ms is equal to 0, one electron is pointing upward and the other electron is pointing downward. For L is equal to -1, the both electrons are pointing downwards. For Ml is equal to 2 value, it will range from +2 to -2. It means the L value will go from +2 to -2. The configuration that a carbon atom in its ground state can adopt like this, means the 2 electrons are arranged in px and py orbitals. For this, the Ml values, summation of Ml will give 1. It means the summation of Ml is equal to +1, and for this electron Ml will be equal to 0. These two Ml values are adding up and will give a Ml of 1, whereas the Ms value for this configuration would be +1, means these two electrons are pointing upward in different atomic orbitals. First, the Ms value is of +½ and second electron will have a value of -½ These two +½ values will be add up and will give 1 for Ms. For the second configuration, if the 2 electrons are arranged in py and pz orbital, it means the Ml value is of -1 and the Ms is of +1, which comes from plus half and plus half for both the electrons. For the third configuration, the ms value is of plus 1 value, because both electrons are pointing upward, means in the same direction, and contributes plus half for the arrow pointing upwards, and the ml will be given by this is equal to 0, means the plus 1 and minus 1 add up will give ml value of 0. These are examples of some of the ground microstates. Other would have the electrons pointing downward. This is an example of carbon atom in excited state. Here the two electrons are in same orbital, and one is pointing upward and other one is pointing downward. It means it will contribute for ml is equal to 2, means plus 1 and plus 1 for each electron. For this the ms value would be 0, because plus half and minus half will give a value of 0 for ms. For the second configuration, if both the electrons are situated in a py orbital, and these two electrons situated in py orbitals, for ms they will contribute a 0, and for ml value also 0. For the third configuration, the ms value is also 0, because both the electrons are in same orbital, whereas for ml the value would be of minus 2. These are the examples of excited microstates. There are 15 possible microstates for P2 system, and the resultant values of ml and ms obtained for this P2 system like this. Here ml plus 2, the electrons are arranged in opposite direction to each other, but in a same orbital. This is the electronic configuration for P2 system if ml is equal to plus 2. For this system ms would be 0, because both the electrons are arranged in an anti-parallel fashion. Like this, ml is equal to 0. The electrons are again arranged in the same configuration in P2 system. Both the electrons lies in a same orbital. Similarly, for ml minus 2, these two electrons are arranged in the same orbital. For the parallel fashion, ml would be plus 2 and the values of ml would be plus 1 for both the system. So, these are 15 possible microstates, means the 15 possible configuration that a P2 system can attain within the 3 orbitals of P. The table includes all the possible microstates. Like in the previous table, ml plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. For this ms plus 1 0 minus 1 means the two electrons are arranged in a parallel fashion, plus half plus half. Two electrons arranged in an anti-parallel fashion, means plus half and minus half, and the two electrons are arranged in pointing downwards, means ms becomes equal to minus half, and the superscript of plus and minus indicates that the electrons are arranged in a pointing upward or pointing downward manner. The ml and ms values describes the individual microstates themselves, whereas the total angular momentum L and the total spin angular momentum S describes the collections of microstates called atomic energy states. Means the ml comes from the different ml values of individual electrons, and these are combined will give to the ml value. Similarly, the ms value, that means capital MS, it is come from the different ms values of each individual electrons. Means if an electron is pointing upward and the another electron is pointing downward, the s value for pointing upward is half and the s value for pointing downward is minus half. So, the addition of these two value will give cumulative ms value, means capital MS. For a 2 electron system, for example P2 system of carbon atom, the L comes from the L1 and L2, means the two different quantum numbers L1 L2 that will combined will give capital L. Similarly, S would be calculated from S1 and S2, means two individual S value of each electrons, and the total L values and total S values comes from the quantized way, means that L value will go from L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2. It means 2 L plus 1 total values can be obtained from this L value. Similarly, S can be arranged in a same quantized way, S1 plus S2 up to S1 minus S2, and this also calculated from the 2S plus 1 fashion. As we have discussed already, the ML can be calculated from the individual ML value, and these can be summed up to give a capital ML value. Similarly, MS can be calculated from the individual MS value of each electron. Now, once the microstate table is complete, the microstates are collected and grouped into atomic energy states, and these energy states for P2 system can be calculated from these L and S values. The total L values are 2, 1 and 0 and becomes always positive, whereas the S values that will come from S1 plus S2, means half plus half, that will give 1, and half plus half minus 1 means 0. Once the microstate table is complete, all microstates associated with an energy state with a specific value of L and L are grouped with each other. It does not matter which specific microstates are placed in group at which place. The microstates are grouped and stepwise eliminated until all the microstates are associated with a specific energy term or state. What does it means? It means that the microstates that are eliminated from the chart that are of different energy levels, means the microstates that are coming from the different parts are having their different energy levels, and these energy levels or specific energy states are called as terms. Now, how we can resolve the microstate table of P2 system? First, eliminate microstates with ML plus 2 to minus 2 with MS is equal to 0. So, we will sort out those type of configurations in which the value lies from ML plus 2 to minus 2 and the MS value would be of 0. These are the selective ML and MS configurations. For ML plus 2 to minus 2, these are the values plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. For MS is equal to 0, the possible combinations are this, means plus and minus. Plus and minus means one electron is pointing upward, another one electron is pointing downward, but both will lie in the same orbital. Similarly, for the plus 1, this is the configuration in which an electron lies in the upward direction while the other one lies in the downward direction. For the 0 state, means ML is equal to 0, the two configurations means first is upward and the second is downward. Both can be in different p orbitals, means one can lie in the px orbital and another one lie in the py orbital, but the necessary condition for MS is equal to 0 that both the electrons will be having opposite spins. One is pointing upward and the another one is pointing downward. This is the necessary condition for MS is equal to 0. Now, these microstates are associated with the term 1D. Here 1D comes from the 2s plus 1 value is 1, means the electrons are arranged in an anti-parallel fashion. One is pointing upward and the other one is pointing downward, means multiplicity comes to be 1, and the D value that is coming from the L value, L is equal to 1 or 2, means D corresponds to the L value. Now eliminate microstate having ML plus 1 to minus 1 and MS plus 1 to minus 1. We have already discussed in the previous slide for MS is equal to 0 and MS having the value of plus 1, minus 1 and 0. MS 0 we have discussed earlier. Now we are going to discuss about the MS plus 1 and minus 1. Here in this chart, the green pointed values are ML plus 1 to minus 1 and MS plus 1 and minus 1. From this chart, we can easily see that here ML value is plus 1, ML value is 0, ML value is minus 1. Here for MS, here MS is going from plus 1 to minus 1. Plus 1 to minus 1 means the electrons are lying in a same orbital. It may be a 0 value, it may be a plus 1 value, here again 0 value, here again 0 value. So we are getting the MS value of plus 1 to minus 1. In this picture, minus 1, here the two electrons are arranged in opposite directions. It means both pointing downward to the configuration. Here in the next orbital, both electrons are pointing downward, as the superscript shows, both having minus sign. If it has plus sign, it means the electrons is pointing upward. These microstates that are from green side shows that the 3p term is associated with all these configurations. Here ML is equal to plus 1 and MS is plus 1 to minus 1. Here plus 1 and here minus 1 values, and these microstates, all these are associated with 3p term symbol. Now the only one microstate remained in our table, which is associated with the 1s term. Here if both the electrons are pointing opposite to each other and remains in between the two px and pz orbital, means py orbitals. The state terms of the p2 electron configuration are 1s, 3p and 1d, means there are 3 energy state in which transition can takes place, 1s, 3p and 3d. The term symbol with the greatest multiplicity and the highest value of ml will be the ground state, as the electrons having the greatest multiplicity. Here 3p is the ground state term for carbon, which have the lowest energy value. 3p, here 3 is the multiplicity, 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. It will give us s is equal to 1. It clearly indicates that both the electrons are arranged in parallel fashion. It gives multiplicity of 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. Here p value comes from the L value. It is the highest ML value that a P2 system can attain, and it also follows the Hund's rule, means this value lies at the lowest bottom. The relative energies of these state terms are arranged in such a way, means 3p is lowest energy, above that 1d and above all 1s energy system will lie. The energy state for a D2 configuration, in which the ground state of a free atom with a D2 electronic configuration and their increasing energy levels are such that 1s will be of higher energy and 1d remains below of 1s, whereas 1g lies in between the 1d and 3p. The lowest energy value is 3f, as the Hund's rule indicates. The 3f comes from the highest multiplicity and the highest L value. The ground state term for symbol for D2 configuration, the ground state of a free atom with a D2 configuration having a 3f system. The 3f term symbol is of lowest energy according to Hund's rule, and this particular 3f contains multiplicity of 3, which is greatest in its multiplicity range. The 3f is of highest L value, which is again satisfy the rule of greatest multiplicity and highest L value. Now, we will summarize whole of our session. The L value can be calculated from different individual L values of electrons, means L1 plus L2, and the total L values can be calculated from quantized way. It will contain 2 L plus 1 and S also contain 2 S plus 1 values. On the other hand, the capital ML can be calculated from the summarized ML values of individual electrons. Similarly, the spin values MS quantum number can be calculated from the individual quantum number of spin values of each electron. The relative energies of the state term for P2 are 3p, which is of lowest energy, above that 1d and above that 1s, which is following the greatest multiplicity and the highest L value rule. The term for the D2 electron configuration in order of increasing energy are 1s, 1d, 1g, 3p and 3f. The 3f having the lowest energy and containing the greatest multiplicity and highest L value. In our next chapter, we will discuss about the transition in between these states. An electron can excite from these ground state to excited state, and this transition can be discussed in a different fashion, and we will take up some examples for transition of these types of excitation or these types of transitions. Thank you.